There's Porcupine Wash, and it's right here somewhere on the station. It doesn't say where it's at here. I'm not sure. Oh, here's Porcupine Wash right up here. So the trail goes out, does a loop, so you can go to the left and then keep going to the right unless you want to go all the way down to here. But I think we're just going to go here and just keep turning left to get back. Well, this is Porcupine Wash here. I got the spongy thing on the GoPro. Like I said, clouding up, so it's a little cool in the clouds. Just got my long sleeve shirt on. The wind's not too bad here. So let's see what we can see here. All right. Well, so far it just looks like a bunch of mesquite bushes all over the place here. To the left and to the right, all that green, all throughout even the hillside there. Mesquite bushes. And some of these other things here, I don't know what these are, tumbleweeds or something. A couple of them in the middle of the trail up here we'll take a look at. Here's some growing right in the trail. The trail's not really marked. I don't know how long that loop is. It might be, 2 miles long. I don't know. It goes straight up there. I don't see where it would come out back to the parking lot. But we'll see. We can always backtrack. Worst case. Sun coming out. A little bit of sun here. I was going to take advantage of it here with the vids. Well, we got some sun. All right, here a few birdies. No varmints. Nope. Don't see anything else. All right. Well, here's a curve in the trail. So I think I'm supposed to, well, maybe not. No, it still goes straight. I thought it looked like it was going to go off to the left. It looks like it's still going straight up there. Take a little panorama here. I don't know if you can hear those birds, but all surrounded by rocks on all sides here. Okay. Well, I had to turn around, come back. Once I got up there and turned, it looked like, is this the trail? Is that the trail? It's hard to tell because everything's sandy here. So I said, well, I don't know. So at least here it's pretty well, defined, but there are no signs. So I thought, well, nobody else out here, so I don't want to get lost. I tried to look at my phone, but it's so bright out here. Even if I tried to shade my phone, I still couldn't see the map. So that was kind of useless. Okay. Oh, I see the highway up there, so that's a good sign. Parking lot's got to be up there somewhere. Okay.